Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will have a look at relational operators in Java. What are relational operators? Relational operators are used to compare two values or operands and return Boolean result. So if you have two values and if you want to compare these two values, then you can go for relational operators. How to use these operators? We will have a look at it once we start coding. So how many relational operators are there? We have around six relational operators. Those are equal to operator, not equal to operator, then greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator. So let's move to IntelliJ IDEA and there we will see how to use this relational operator. So I have opened my IntelliJ IDEA. I will go ahead and create a new class and I will name it as relational operator. So I've created the class. I will create main method inside it. Now suppose as I said it is used to compare equality of two values. So suppose I have to compare whether 5 and 10 are equal or not. So simply I can print 5 equal to 10. So if they are equal, it should return true, and if they are not equal, it should return me false. So obviously 5 is not equal to 10, so it should return false. So if I run this, I should get false. See, I'm getting false. And if I replace this 10 with 5, then I should get true. Yeah, we got the output as true. So these relational operators are used for comparing two values. Now let's move ahead and see some examples. Suppose I'm having a variable A having value as 5, another variable B having value as 10. I want to check the equality of these two variables. So first we will see equal to operator. So I will simply print A equal to B. So obviously A is 5 and B is 10. Both are not equal. So I should get output as false. So if I run it, I will get output as false because A is not equal to B. Now let's see next operator that is not equal to operator. So I will just comment this and I will print A not equal to B. So this expression is true. A is 5, B is 10, both are not equal. So A not equal to B is correct. So I should get output as true. So if I run this, I will get output as true. Now let's see the next relational operator that is greater than. So if I print A greater than B, so obviously this statement is false. A is not greater than B. A is smaller than B. So I should get output as false. See, I'm getting false because A is not greater than B. I'm writing A greater than B. Let's comment. Next, let's see the next relational operator. Next is lesser than. So A less than B. Now this is true. A is less than B. A is 5, B is 10. A is lesser than B. So I should get output as true. See, I'm getting true. Now let's see next relational operator. Next is greater than or equal to. Now let's type A greater than equal to B. Now with this operator, either of the condition is satisfied, it will return true. So first, let's see the first condition. A greater than B? No. A is less than B. A is lesser than 10. Is A equal to B? No. Both the conditions are not satisfied. So it will return false now. But see, output is false. But what if I make this A equal to 10? Now let's see. Is A greater than B? No. But is A equal to B? Yes. So I should get output as true. See, output I'm getting is true. So either of this condition is satisfied, it will return true. First condition is not satisfied, A greater than B, no. But second condition is satisfied, A equal to B. So I'm getting the output as true. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the last equality operator, that is less than or equal to operator. So it will be A less than equal to B. So again here, if any one of the condition is satisfied, we will return true. So let's see the first condition, A less than B. No, not satisfied because A and B both are equal. Now A equal to B, yes, it is satisfied because A, B both are equal. So I should get output as true. So yeah, I am getting output as true. If I make it as 8, now again the first condition is getting satisfied. A is less than B, but second condition A equal to B is not getting satisfied. So again I will get output as true only because A less than B is getting satisfied. So this is how we can use less than or equal to operator. I hope it is clear to you now how these relational operators work. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.